If you've lost access to your Lyft account and need to regain ownership, follow these simple steps to recover it quickly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app or website. Start by launching the Lyft app on your mobile device or visiting the Lyft website on your computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Lyft account. This is the information Lyft will use to identify your account. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. After submitting your information, check your email inbox or SMS messages for a password reset link or code from Lyft. Follow the instructions provided in the message. Step 5. Reset your password. Use the link or code to create a new password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log back into your Lyft account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft's customer support for further assistance.